My name is Жұмағали Жәннәt. I'm 5th grade student. In the future, I want to be a designer. A designer makes beautiful and useful things. This project is about my dream job. Who is a designer? Designer is a person who creates new ideas. Designers make clothes, houses, logos, and pictures. Types of designers. There are many kinds of designers: fashion designer, graphic designer, interior designer, web designer. Each designer has a special job. There are my drawing and painting. I don't waste my free time. I like to engage in such creativity. Why I want to be a designer? I want to be a designer because I like drawing, I like colors, I'm creative. I like making new things. Designing makes me happy. What a designer does. A designer draw ideas, uses a computer, chooses colors and shapes, makes plans. Designers work every day to improve their skills. Designers I like famous designers: Аида Каменова, Құралай Нұрқасылова, Берік Исмаил, Насым Карпыкова. They make beautiful clothes and designs. They inspire people all over the world. I want to be like them in the future. My dream in the future. In the future, I want to study design. I want to go to good university. I want to be a successful designer. I want to help people. I want to help people with my designs. Conclusion: designing is my dream job. It is interesting and creative. I will work hard to become a designer. In the future, I want to become a designer in the kind of style and fashion direction. I enjoy drawing pictures related to this field. This is the drawing I made first. Who you want to be? You grow up competition. In the future, I want to introduce my own name to the world just like famous designers. Thank you for listening.